Hello tech enthusiasts, I am Mr. Nobody, and today we're going to talk about the Bitcoin price rebounds. Make sure to smash the like and subscribe button so when we post you don't miss out on any updates. Bitcoin has slowly begun to regain value after a price correction period. On Friday, the world's most widely used cryptocurrency rose by 0.2%, bringing its value to $42,854 IRS 35.79. The most expensive cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, has been reeling under losses after maintaining a gain streak for several days. It tumbled from its recent price of $44,000 for FRERS, 36.6 lock-in, what experts have called a price correction period. BTC is showing slight and gradual hikes in its prices. Over the past 24 hours, the value of Bitcoin rose by $174. Tether followed Bitcoin with a price hike of 1.68%. The value of ETH currently stands at $22.86. After the US Fed announced that it may go for several rate cuts in 2024, there is a wave of positive sentiment across financial markets. We can expect an impressive start of 2024 from Bitcoin and other crypto assets as events like Bitcoin ETF approval are lined up for early 2024. The market is expected to sustain the momentum owing to the macroeconomic factors. For Shiva Inu, CEO of Bitcoin, most cryptocurrencies that found themselves on the loss-making side of the crypto price chart at the start of this week are now seeing their values rise again. These include Binance Coin, Ripple, Solana, USD Coin, Dogecoin, Tron, and Chainlink. Shiba Inu, Bitcoin Cash, and Stellar have also increased in value. Altcoins exhibited mixed trading. Notably, Ordinals token order surged by more than 25% in a day, reflecting the growing craze around Bitcoin Ordinals. The Coin's research team highlighted the overall crypto market cap rose by 0.84% in the last 24 hours. The sector valuation, as of now, stands at $1.62 trillion as per CoinMarketCap. Meanwhile, some cryptocurrencies saw their values fall on Friday. These include Cardano, Avalanche, Polkadot, and Polygon. The crypto market performed sideways with an upward bias in the last 24 hours. The Financial Accounting Standards Board, FASBOB, has come up with a new accounting standard for companies with crypto holdings. FASB will be adopting the new fair value accounting for BTC effective fiscals. DEXI 15, 2024. This development is likely to facilitate the adoption of BTC as a reserve asset by corporations and fueling the demand, Parth Chatterjee,